Okay, namaste and hello everyone. It's me Pranav Palanchoke from KVHS class 9B, and today I'm here to carry out a simple experiment regarding atmospheric pressure. So without further ado, let's start. And to carry out this simple experiment, we just need some simple materials that we use in our daily life, which includes a piece of cardboard, glass, and some water. The first step is to pour some water in the glass. Next, we have to keep a piece of cardboard on top of the glass like this. And then we have to flip the glass along with the cardboard slowly. After that, we should slowly remove our hand from the cardboard. As you can see, the cardboard sticked perfectly. Now, explaining how that happened, of course it happened because of the atmospheric pressure. As we know, the cup was full of water, and the atmospheric pressure inside the cup was much less than the atmospheric pressure outside the cup. Due to the vast difference in atmospheric pressure, the atmospheric pressure outside the cup pushed the cardboard towards the cup, making the cardboard to stick in the cup.